Hi, I'm Jeff O'Mara, and I'd like to share with you a breath practice that I like to call the extra exhale breath. If we're particularly interested in relaxing the body and relaxing the mind, alleviating symptoms of stress, worry, fear, anxiety, trauma, or calming the negative emotions like anger, hatred, frustration, then this is probably the tool that we want to use. Okay? We can start with the complete breath that we've already practiced, and then we can discover the full power of the exhale by simply extending it, lengthening that exhale so it's consistently longer than the inhale. Okay? And I would bet that everyone in this class has actually already practiced this breath at some point. Whenever you let out a sigh, your body is intervening by using this breath technique to help relax you, right? When do you sigh? You know, when you're anxious and you're tense and you're stressed, overworked, worried. What happens? Your body takes a deep breath and then slowly releases a long exhale. Okay? If you try it, you'll feel exactly how it works, right? So let's just take a second. Take a breath, a nice full breath, and release it just like a sigh. Okay, you can feel the body let go. Okay, there's this very tight connection between that breath and the body that we've been discovering with these breath practices, and this is a perfect, easily accessible example of that. Okay, the full inhale shifts your awareness from your head, your thinking, to your body as it expands. All those sensations of expansion kind of attract your awareness. And then the extended exhale stimulates the shift over to the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest, relaxation side, stimulates that relaxation response in the body and the mind. Okay, it's like a pressure release valve. Okay, with a spontaneous sigh, your body is stepping in to care for itself because you haven't been paying attention to its signals of stress, fatigue, worry, etc. What we're doing by practicing this breath, therefore, is consciously and gently employing a skill to care for ourselves and guide ourselves back to ease of body and peace of mind. Okay, let's see for ourselves. Okay, prepare your comfortable seat. Again, it can be on the floor, you can be sitting in a chair. Just find a seat that's comfortable with a nice tall spine. Reach through the crown of your head. Gently let your eyes close or drop your gaze down and just relax the focus of your eyes. Okay, we can start by cultivating that complete breath. Inhale that's nice and full, deep, smooth, slow. Exhale, where you follow that exhale all the way out. Completely releasing the breath, allowing it to diminish and taper down to stillness. Okay, maybe taking a couple breaths just to feel that. Okay, from there, we can add a count onto the breath. I might inhale for a count of 4, and then exhale for a count of 4. So inhaling, 2, 3, 4. And then exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. So I found this balanced breath that I'm comfortable with. And then the key for this practice is we slowly start to extend the exhale. So I might inhale for a count of 4, and then start to exhale for a count of 5. Might stay with that for a few rounds of breath. Give that a try. If you ever feel uncomfortable with the breath, you just back off and return to a natural breath. If everything's feeling okay, maybe you inhale for 4, and then you stretch it a little bit longer. Exhale for 6. Maybe eventually 7 or 8. Don't rush it. Give yourself a chance to just enjoy it and see what is available to you through your breath. Okay, so stay with this awareness, this nice extended exhale. Okay, maybe taking 2 or 3 more breaths here. All right, beautiful. If your eyes are closed, you can gently blink the eyes back open, bring your attention back up, be aware of the space around you in the room. Reflect for a moment. See how that breath made you feel in your body, quality of your mind. Okay, as we found with the complete breath technique, the extended exhale can be practiced anywhere, anytime you need some extra care. Okay? Always listen closely to yourself so you'll know exactly when that is.